Hi there, and welcome to another Lab News video breakdown. My name is Matthew Partridge from Errant Science, and I'll be taking you through a selection of the latest promotional videos from lab suppliers and service companies. Today, I've been looking at 4 videos provided by Thermo, Anvio, Scientific Lab Supplies and INTEGRA, all of whom are very kindly sponsoring this video breakdown. Their videos are available to watch at the links below. You don't need to watch them first. The whole idea of this is that I pick out the highlights and the funny bits and you go look later at the ones you're interested in. First up is a video given to us by Thermo Fisher Scientific Chemicals, showing off the Suzuki cross-coupling reaction. And it's actually part of a larger series of videos that Thermo is producing. The series shows off different chemical reactions from over the last 200 years of chemistry. The video we've been given to look at here focuses on just the Suzuki reaction, which I've learned from watching the video is an important reaction for coupling together one organic molecule to another, which with my extensive chemistry background is something I can assure you that you sometimes want. The reaction is named after the chemist Akira Suzuki, who has the honour of sharing a name both with an excellent animated film, Akira, and a brand of very shiny motorbikes. He's also won a Nobel Prize. Like Akira Suzuki's namesake, this reaction explainer is very cutely animated, and it's really approachable for anyone wanting to learn something a little bit extra about the chemistry of the world they live in and the products that they buy. Of course, Thermo is keen to point out at the end of the video that all of the chemicals required for the Suzuki reaction are obviously available to purchase from their catalogue. From animation to CGI now, with a video from Anvio, who are a company that develops and manufactures and directly sells a range of innovative solutions for the analysis of liquids. In this video, Anvio show off their brand new Fluid Lab R300 cell counter and spectrophotometer, using the power of Pixar-level computer graphics. The Fluid Lab R300 cell counter combines an automated cell counter with a spectrophotometer, and it allows the user to perform a variety of analyses such as automated cell counting, stain-free viability measurements, absorbance, scatter light, time series measurements, all with a really slick touchscreen. Look at it in all its glossy glory. The Fluid Lab takes the Acela glass microfluidic chip, which allows for next generation cell counting. The Acela Fluid Lab takes the Acela chips, which come in a range of different volumes, and displays frequency histograms, graphic analysis, and cell counting all at the same time. You can see more in their videos, or you can go to Anvio's website, which has loads more examples and explanations, and it's well worth a visit. Video 3 has been provided by Scientific Laboratory Suppliers, also known as SLS, advertising the Scientific Laboratory Show and Conference. Now, I'm not going to lie, sometimes when we make these videos, I have to work really hard to kind of finding bits to talk about. But this video is the opposite, because it's advertising free food, free drink, fascinating science, also for free, and it's not a stretch to say that it feels like the easiest thing ever to promote. I mean, look, there's even golf, a picnic, a really posh picnic, people in fancy dress handing out drinks, performance artists and cartoonists. The show spans 3 days, and alongside all the fun things includes countless exhibitors from science companies, as well as presentations and talks, and as soon as this video ends you should immediately go and register, because seriously, it looks amazing. Last up is a video from INTEGRA, showing us the use case for their pipettes. This is now, I think, the 3rd time that I've featured the INTEGRA, and after 3 videos you think I'd be out of stuff to say about pipettes. But I think given the many hours I have spent using pipettes, I think I can manage a few more videos. Besides, INTEGRA videos are always fun to watch because they share interesting use cases. In this one it's about brain tumour research, and secondly because their pipettes are basically everything I wish I had ever had in a pipette. For example, in this video from Dr. Alexander Beck's laboratory, they show off how you can put the pipette into the exit stage and have it automatically fill 128 and 96 well plates. Just watching the video makes my hand like cripplingly ache from the early days in a lab doing zero dilutions with a single channel pipette. The only part of the video that worries me slightly is how much Dr. Beck's work appears to involve slightly pink liquids. Now, I don't want to tell Dr. Beck how to do his job, but while pink liquids are perfectly good for providing contrast in YouTube videos about pipettes, they are terrible for neuro-oncology experiments, which everyone knows work better with mauve liquids. That's all we have time for this week. If any of the videos look interesting, then you can find them at the links below or in our newsletter. I hope you've enjoyed this video breakdown. If you have, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, do all of the YouTube stuff, and leave us some comments and let us know what you think and, what we could talk about in our next video. We'll be back with another breakdown soon, but until then, stay safe.